what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick walk around and detail on the mods I've done to my 2018 Ram 1500 crew cab. So as the previous video on the review, when I first got the truck about 2.5 years ago, it was completely stock. So we'll start off with the main components. That this truck does have a 6-inch lift built by Rough Country itself. The kit costs you about $900. These are 35s on a 20x9 inch vision wheel. We also have a Ram Rebel, I guess replica, however you want to call it. So it's a Ram Rebel replica grill that you can find on Amazon for about $120 with LED amber lights. Very clean, very slick looking grill. I also added some headlights with daytime running lights on the LEDs, which will light up these and this. When the turn signal does ignite, you do see it turn on as well, and some LED fog lights as well. These headlights ran about $280, fog lights about $150. I will also show you guys the rear, because I did change also the rear lights, and these are also LED with the LED reverse light as well. The pair costs you about $180, give or take. I'll give you guys the full description of every item that I got along with the price. I've also added the coolio features such as the American flag on the rear window. The decal took me about 10 minutes to install. Very quick install video that can be found on YouTube. But it takes no more than 10 minutes to install. And just to match with that, I also installed these, I don't know if you can tell, American flag air gaps or air caps for the wheels. Sorry about this plane going through. So yeah, as far as engine components and exhaust, that is still to come. But for now, I wanted to make it look the way I wanted it to look. I'm still gonna possibly do a color match on the chrome. Haven't decided yet. But as of right now, this is how the way the truck stands. The way it rides, it's very it feels very stockish. The install took us about a day and a half to do. We did it in house. Again, install was about a day and a half to finish it up. After that, I got it aligned. Paid another $100 for that. Tires, wheels were about $3,500 to set. Lift was about another $900. Did take about a month and a half to get the lift because of the back order, because of COVID. Interior, not much of an update. Still stock. You have your front, back, which that's how the flag looks from the inside out. Very stock. Nothing. No major changes for the front and for the back. This does come in handy though. This truck does have a little storage area that we can use, and for me it works. No complaints there. So let me see if you guys can catch this on camera. I'm gonna unlock the truck, so you see the amber lights ignite. I also have LED low beams on the truck as well. That's how it is when you lock it. When you auto start, this is how it looks. So if you can see, the LED ignites. I don't know how well it comes out in camera, but so the top bar lights up, the bottom bar lights up. These, and then you have your LED lighting. I'll try to do a video of the way the light looks at night when it gets darker. Probably be another day. The LED inserts on the grill, they're pretty bright. The wiring is hooked up to my amber lights amber running lights, so they're on as soon as I turn my daytime running lights on. My ambers turn on as well, which is pretty cool. I guess that install is not very hard. If you guys want to see, or you guys want me to show you guys the way I ran my wiring and did all the connectors and all that, let me know. I can make a video for that. Let me show you guys the way it looks once it's already turned on, I guess. See how it comes out on camera. Oh. So again, like if you turn on my my running lights, that should ignite everything else. So it's running lights during the day, that's how they are, and that's all the way around. My rear also ignite as well. You can see the red. Again, if it's blinking or something, it's because of video quality. It's just the way it is with the lights and the phones. And then let me see if you guys can see my actual lighting. There you go. So again, I have LEDs, fogs, and headlamps. You can hardly tell, but at night they're very bright. If you guys want to see more on the RAM and the build that I'm doing for this RAM, consider subscribing, liking the video, follow me on Instagram. I'll have all the links down below. This is a 2-wheel drive 2018 Ram 1500 Harvest Edition, which now looks more like a Lone Star, to be honest. The mud flaps that I had before from factory got removed. I just hated the way they looked, period. Upcoming projects for the truck, to be honest, it's figuring out with the chrome, if I want to delete the chrome or keep it. If I delete it, it's probably going to be wrapped to the same color as the truck. I'm probably going to replace the side steps with the ones that come out, the automatic hydraulic side steps as well. That'll probably be the replacement for those. And then probably going to do an exhaust, a cold air intake system. And I don't know what else to do to the truck, to be honest. After those little projects, I'll probably do a train horn as well, just to be a douchebag. Why not, right? So yeah, guys, that's the truck. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.